Alright, let's make Elvis Presley's Jailhouse Rock Cake. Alright, we're going to need 3 cups of pecans chopped up finely or small bites. Now we're going to need a white cake. You can either use boxed or make your own. If you are making boxed, follow the directions on the box. Alright, so you're going to bake it 350 for 25 minutes until the toothpick comes out dry. Right now we're going to need 8 ounces of crushed pineapple and 1 cup of sugar put into a saucepan with a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix this over heat, dissolving the sugar, bring it to a boil. And then once the cake gets dry, we're going to poke some holes into it. And we're going to pour the pineapple sugar syrup over the top. Once that is done, we can get the frosting going. A half cup butter, 8 ounces cream cheese. Mix it together really well. And then you'll need 3 cups of powdered sugar. Mix after each cup until it's all nice and smooth. And then we can add some pecans. I would add 1 to 2 cups, whatever you're liking. And then we are going to put that on top of the cake. And you are going to want to spread that around evenly. We will top this then with some more pecans, cover it, and then we will chill it for at least 6 hours. Overnight is even better. Alright, it's been chilling overnight. Let's get into it. Alright, this is Elvis Presley's cake, Jailhouse Rock. So let's try this out. It's very moist.
I can't understand. God damn it.
It really tastes like, reminds me of pineapple upside down cake, the bottom part. And then the cream cheese frosting, just like the pumpkin bars frosting. I did hold back a little bit of the pecans. I probably would hold back a little bit more. That's a lot of pecans. And I love pecans. But very, very moist. You can taste that pineapple syrup that's in there. Very good. I'd make it again.